Hello team, welcome to Interakt. Today we will help you with the RCS Fallback setup. So for setting up the RCS Fallback, you'll need to make sure that the retries have been disabled because both the things won't work simultaneously. You know why we need an retries like due to the meta frequency capping? Since we are not able to send out the messages, the marketing messages to your customers, due to that restrictions, we have these options of retries. We can do a WhatsApp retries also, and we can do an RCS retries. So what is RCS retries? RCS is a rich communication services. That means that you'll be able to send out the messages on the message or Google Messages service so that in order to get the proper notification delivered to them if it doesn't reaches out on WhatsApp. So for the same, you have to make sure that this is disabled and the marketing campaign has been set up. You'll have to go to the set of fallback channels. Wadandia. You'll have to click on RCS First Fallback Channel. You'll have to make sure that the assistant ID and the category has been selected, and you'll select an option of Choose Template. In this, you'll just simply select an option of like which template that you want to trigger. For example, I'll be selecting it here as a harsh image. You can choose the template and that's it. Once you have chosen the template, you will be able to configure it here. If you want to change the image, you'll be able to do it. And if that specific template, for example, just a second, I'm just choosing another template. So for example, this is a template, so I'll just click on this option. Now, we also have a template with the variables options where we can simply add the variables and the same thing, how we do it for the WhatsApp, we'll be able to do it here. We can select the options and add the specific field in the name, and that's it. And we just need to save. So you'll be able to get this message fallback has been enabled. Thank you.